Good evening. Today I'll be showing you one more interesting thing. This is a DIY activity which I did. So this is specifically a sort of a garden irrigation system I'll be showing you today. Completely handmade, and that is very simple to make also. And definitely it will ease your watering the plants activity. So you can easily water the plants and in a hassle-free way. A small garden we have. There are multiple plants planted, some short height trees, flower plants, etc. So our journey begins from here. So as you see, this is the main pipeline that I have. This is the one. So I have applied a valve over here. So what I have done is, as the pipeline gets inside the soil, so I have created multiple outlets over here. So this is one outlet, and just separated by some feet there is one more outlet, and again separated by some feet there one more outlet. So like this I have created multiple outlets. And how does this outlet looks like? It is very simple. A pipe is getting up, the pipe is sealed at its end, and there are few holes created. That's it, nothing much. What happens, I have created 3 holes. The first one is at a 90 degree, then at a 45 degree, and then at a 135 degree, so that 3 jets of water would be sprayed out, and it will go to the roots of the plants in 3 different directions. Similarly, if we have such kind of things at a frequent interval, so all the roots would be covered. So this is what I have planned for it. And just because we all know the pressure is equal everywhere, so all the jets are working fine. So let me show you in action. So now I will be turning on the valve. You see, so this is how it works. You see how much hassle-free activity is this. So this has been created everywhere. So now the point is, this is the end of my garden 1, and this is the beginning of garden 2. So I need to make the pipeline continuous, right? So what I did, I laid the pipeline underground. You see this particular cracks. So just beneath this, I have laid the pipeline. And if you look at here, you see the water is coming out from those nozzles. So this is a similar activity. I did it here, and all these pipelines are connected with a single one, that particular valve which I just demonstrated. So this is how this entire system looks like. If I show you at the extreme end of the garden, you see here also this irrigation system works. So you just need to turn the tap on for almost around 15 minutes. Definitely water is also not wasted, and the plants are getting watered. A very easy and simple activity that I did. And this is a hassle-free and maintenance-free as well. You need not do anything. Yeah, at times due to some kind of a moss or etc., these holes are a little bit jammed. So you just simply take a needle or a nail and just pick it in. So once you prick it, so this is not the end. The reason is I have one more garden over here. So this is my third garden, and you see in this case, so that I can show you guys what I did, this pipeline is not underground but above, so you can see what's there underground. So you can make it underground as well as above the ground, so that makes no harm for you. And just because it is very strong and robust plastic, so no matter if it is underground or above the ground. So for this particular pipeline I have the valve over here. Let's open the valve. You see, just see how beautiful it works. You can also control the pressure using the valve. If you open it wide, definitely the pressure would be more, the spray jets would go longer. So that is how you can easily adjust them. You see how beautifully it works. A very easy mechanism. You can easily do at home. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.